In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen an expense report in Expensify. If you've ever closed a report by mistake or simply need to make some changes, knowing how to reopen it can be incredibly handy. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can easily manage your expense reports with confidence. First, you need to navigate to your Expensify workspace. This is the hub where all your financial magic happens, allowing you to oversee and manage your expenses effortlessly. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Report menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this menu will provide you a list of all available reports. This is your gateway to accessing and managing your expenses. As you explore the Reports menu, look for the Expenses option and click on it. This is where you'll find all your expense reports neatly organized and ready for your review. It helps to have a clear understanding of your reports, as organization is key to efficiently managing financial tasks. Next, scroll through the list and identify the closed report that requires reopening. Once you find the one you're looking for, click on it to view its details. This step is crucial, as it ensures that you're focusing on the right report, eliminating any room for error. Once the report is opened, pay attention to the menu that appears on the right-hand side corner of your screen. This menu will provide additional options for managing your report. Click on the More option to see further actions that you can perform on this report. It's like having an expanded toolkit at your fingertips, ready to assist you in making necessary changes to your report. In the expanded menu, look for the Undo Close option and click on it. This action is the pivotal moment where your closed report comes back to life, allowing you to edit and make changes as needed. It's a simple yet powerful feature that ensures flexibility in managing your reports. Finally, verify that your report has been successfully reopened by checking the Expense Report tab. You should now see that it is open again, ready for any adjustments or additions you may need to make. This confirmation step provides peace of mind, assuring you that your report is editable once more. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly reopen any expense report in Expensify whenever needed. It's all about maintaining control and having the flexibility to make adjustments, keeping your financial management smooth and efficient. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your finances with ease.